Happy Halloween. It's Friday, the day before Halloween. I should have a costume or something fun on. Have a wonderful day tomorrow. Be careful and be safe. All the things you know to do. And on top of that, be very polite while you're out and about. But have a great time. Um, Before Halloween, which is tomorrow, we have a lab to do. Our lab today is heat and motion in liquid lab. You'll need a pan, hot and cold water. Food coloring is the only thing you may not have available, and a stopwatch. I put right here a link for the online stopwatch. We've used that before in case you need that. You need to grab your lab sheet, which is going to look like this. If by chance you do not have food coloring, that would probably be the only thing that you wouldn't have for this lab. There will be a link below where you can watch our results and still make the same data observations and same conclusions. So if you don't have it, please watch the video. But if you do, go ahead and let's do that. I'll read the background with you. As you watch a pot of water come to boil on the stove, you notice that bubbles rise through the surface of the water. First, slowly, and then more rapidly. We've all seen this making macaroni and cheese on the stove, and the pot starts really slowly, and then it vigorously is boiling. If you're curious why the bubbles rise from the bottom of the pot, so we want to investigate. So in this activity, you will observe how heat is transferred through the movement of fluids. You can see the materials we need. We need a clear plastic cup. It can be glass, that's fine. The dropper is in the food coloring. Watch cold water, hot water, and a pan. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to carefully pour some very hot tap water into a small pan. It can be a clear dish. It just kind of has to be a dish. You clear it about half. You put the hot tap water in the small pan, and you fill the cup with cold water, okay? And then you place the cold water cup inside of the center of the pan. You allow it to stand for 2 minutes. Then you fill the plastic dropper halfway full of food coloring. Then you hold the dropper under the cold water surface and slightly away from the edge, and you squeeze a droplet of water in there. You observe the water for 1 minute, and then you write your observation. Number 6, you add another droplet at the cold water surface in the middle of the cup and observe what happens. You write that there. Now we are going to kind of make conclusions. I can't tell you what happens, but how can you explain what happens to the droplets of food coloring that were added to the cold water? And then you'd go through 2, 3, and 4 through your worksheet. And when you're done with your worksheet, you are going to turn it in under activities under heat and motion in a liquid lab. Now remember, if you do not have the supplies to do this, you are going to watch me do it on the video that is linked below. Okay, well, have a wonderful and happy Halloween tomorrow. Be careful, be safe, and have a wonderful time. Goodbye.